everyone. I hope it's heardable. Yeah. So first, let me share about my experience in Deloitte. My internship was for 2 months, 8 weeks to be precise, and my internship was completely different from something I never had. I never had a corporate experience, so it's something I really cherish for life. One thing, first day of my internship is always something we all want to know. The day I went is sharp at 7 o'clock, I guess, in the morning. First thing, they gave us the laptop. They designated people are there to help you guys, so they gave us the laptop. And then the second thing, I had a good breakfast over there. And obviously, they have orientation session that we all call. It was for complete 2 days. So they gave you everything like how it is going to be, how to operate things, the technical things that you need to know. They explain everything, right from security to how to get your food in Deloitte. You have everything in that 2 days. If you want something, there are people you can ask and you know the information. First, and then after that, the 2 months was completely good, to be honest.
Buddy and
Pause demo. Okay, done. So now first thing, we also have what now? What was, yeah. On the day I joined, before joining itself, I got the mail about my buddy. So just in case I wanted to contact my buddy. So buddy is someone they assign you, so you are like, first point of contact. You have any doubt, you just call them or you just get the information from them. You get the guidance. You have anything, they are ready to provide you. Not that you need some chocolates or something. It's just the information, guys. They are like a friend. And luckily, I got my super senior as my buddy, which was a fortunate thing for me. And then I also got assigned to a mentor. Like you have mentors in college, same thing happens there as well. So they guide you throughout 2 months of internship. My internship experience was something that is completely different from what I have heard from other people. One thing, I have a proper assign of task, day-to-day task and weekly task I have been assigned. But they don't expect that you know everything. They teach you. We had trainings for first 1-2 weeks completely, and then simultaneously they also assigned us tasks afterwards so that we learn and implement them at the same time. So practical experience is something you get hands-on there. Third thing is that you have a proper office work location that we all never had experience before, and being there also gives you a future clarity that what kind of job you want to be in and what kind of career you want to choose. Third and fourth one would be the culture. Culture is really different from what we hear and what people say. So that experiencing it is completely different. So I think if I say that I like the culture, you might not know what kind of culture it might be. But from where you go and experience it, it would be completely different from my perspective. So I think it is up to you guys with what lenses you see the culture as well. But apart from these things, I think Deloitte has much to offer than we actually expect. I had least expectations when I enter, but they all cross the expectations. Firstly, the food, I would say. Secondly, they have Deloitte University where we get to go on special occasions to attend the seminars or sessions that they conduct in between. I got a free Starbucks and free foods for that. So yeah, that's a plus point. So I think you have many lists that they offer, and we never realize before we enter a corporate that what are our expectations. But after I entered Deloitte for internship, I think my expectations are pretty set right now. And this is what I experienced. And when it comes to the team I worked in, everyone are pretty much friendly. Everyone are very approachable, and I was very, I'm a person who talks a lot. If by now you guys might know that. So it was very, because talkative people are not like, you know, they are not irritated with it. They are accepting me as I am. And you have many sessions that give you a pretty, you know, small window to the future, that if you want to be in Deloitte, how your life is going to be for the, you know, when you work there. And there are many things that need to be give you a pretty much experience. I learned a lot of work that I never thought I would know one day. So yeah, I would say that. And my team is very good to me. They are very friendly. I already said that. And yeah, I think if you have any more doubts, please do ask in the comment section. And I think my friends want me to say some more few points.
PPO.
No. PPO. Yeah, I already got the PPO that I said it in. I worked in a project management team. Sorry. Okay, yes. I worked in a project management team that completely oversees different projects at the same time. And I got interviewed for tax but got into the role of project management. We have different levels at the same time. I am going to join as a TC1, tax consultant 1. And my team have many different opportunities as well. Like they have Friday appreciation. If you do very good work on the 1 week, you get appreciated by the end of the week. So yeah, I think there are many things to be unfolded in the future for me as well. So bye bye. So any doubts in the comment section, and all the best for you guys as well. Bye.